Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to get free cryptocurrencies for retweeting and commenting on tweets on Twitter. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. If you retweet or comment on other people's tweets on Twitter, you can easily get free cryptocurrency rewards. It's not a trick, by the way. I have tried it and been rewarded for it. But here's the catch. You can't just retweet or comment on random tweets you find on Twitter and expect to get cryptocurrency in return. There must be a system in place that makes that possible, and that's what you will learn about in this video. This is a crypto tipping bot on Twitter called CoinKit. Users who want to promote their tweets to a larger audience can do so by depositing some cryptocurrencies on the bot wallet and then tipping people a few amounts of cryptocurrencies to retweet or comment on their sponsored tweets. In other words, CoinKit will pay you to share sponsored tweets on your timeline by retweeting or commenting on them. To get started, you will need to follow CoinKit on Twitter at CoinKit and turn on post notifications so you will know when sponsored tweets are available. You can get Bitcoin, Dogecoin, dByte, BNB, NIM, Tron, EOS, Solana, and many other cryptocurrencies when you retweet or comment on tweets. For each sponsored tweet, the advertiser says how many people need to retweet it and how much cryptocurrency each retweeter will get. So it's more of a case of first come, first serve. One important thing to note is that you get rewarded right away for your retweets and comments as long as you did what was asked and were one of the first people to do the task. The rewarded cryptocurrency would first be put in your CoinKit wallet, which you can check by tapping the message button on your CoinKit profile. From here, you can then withdraw the chosen cryptocurrency to your external wallet on crypto exchange sites like Coinbase, Binance, etc., or multi-crypto wallets like Trust Wallets. It's important to know that each cryptocurrency has a minimum withdrawal amount which you will need to reach before you can send money to an external wallet. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.